Yeah, he went down.
Oh yeah, he dropped.
Yeah, he's right there below the road.
Huh? Freaking dropped. That Barnes did it, man. That was a big bear. she's a freak when it comes to bears. So maybe I ought to go moose hunting or bear hunting instead of moose hunting for her.
Okay, we're up here with Leron Stokes, Royal Point Ranch. He's had an accident about 5 or 6 years ago. He's in a wheelchair now, and we're up here going to try and accommodate him and get him a bull, him and his wife. And look forward to it. Great experience for them, I hope, and for us too.
It's going to be great. It's been a long time since I got out. It's nice. I appreciate you guys taking us on.
You betcha. We met them up at the Salt Lake Expo. They came to our booth up there, and we set up a hunt for them, and here we are, end of August, and bulls are just starting to get into the bugle in a little bit. It ought to be fun.
If I just went to their booth, just talk to them, you know. Didn't know my wife was going to surprise me with a hunt from them, because they're the only ones that would actually accommodate me. And that's the main reason I'm here, is these guys are some good people. He's probably behind me too.
Yeah, we have
He's a lady girl, or ladies guy.
a bull beagle and up here to our left.
Oh yeah, that was nice looking one. And then there's one below it. Correct?
Yeah, bulls all over there.
So tell.
Okay,
well, there's
big.
There's 6 down there.
Actually, there's more than that. How high up?
So what kind of gun are you shooting?
I am shooting a 308 in the Howa action. And, a lot of modifications to it though.
You made the gun.
This one, I bought it and did everything possible to make it a budget rifle. instead of build one from the ground up. Going that way.
Starting to get some bugling up here, aren't we?
Hey, Leron, what'd you name your bull?
I named him Stud. He's the one chasing all the big bulls off of his harem.
That's right.
So I figured that's the best name we could name him.
Yeah, we're after a 6x6 with a couple little shark tooth extras in the back. Pretty neat looking bull.
Now if you just
Leron's gonna
make a mistake.
unpackage the 308 here in a minute.
Biscuits and gravy.
Biscuits and gravy.
And I'm making a really big mess.
Yeah, biscuits and gravy and sausage wings.
Is it 2 o'clock? What time is it?
I don't know.
1:25 in the afternoon. 1:30 in the afternoon.
1:30. We think he's gonna come into water next hour or two. We're gonna go set up for him, right?
Yeah, we went and checked the trail cams. He should be coming into water soon.
Okay.
We're setting up on a point, glassing for
The stud.
the stud, and then another stud walks out, right?
Yeah.
So
This one's just big, but mine likes to beat him up.
well, bet it up on us, won't come out.
We'll go to bed too. We'll wait for him. He's coming.
How big a clip is that?
10 rounder.
10 rounds?
But I only gonna need like 2 at the most. Just too exposed here. Right in the sunlight, right where they can see us.
And they don't want to come out right here with this up here on the bike, so we're gonna
We'll trick them. We'll get him.
we're gonna go up here above and sit and wait.
He's hungry, thirsty.
He's gonna push him over here.
He's still standing.
Did he go on the left side or the right side?
There he is.
Okay,
There he
turn
is.
on.
Right there, Ron.
Take it, Leron.
Hit record.
I don't see him.
He's right.
I know, but
I-
he's in quick. He's in my.
I can't see him.
Wait till he comes right.
Wait, don't shoot that cow.
Now he's in the tree.
Just wait. There's a cow right there.
Him? That's him right there. Okay. That's him.
Him?
Yep, that's him right there.
Okay.
The one standing in the clearing?
Clear across the other side.
That's your bull, Leron.
Okay.
Drop in.
Ready?
Yep. Smoked him.
Yeah! One shot. He just dropped like a brick.
Did you get it? Smoked him. Also blew my eardrum out.
I don't have a brake on. Hey,
Oh yeah, he dropped. Yeah, he's right there. He's right there below the road. Huh?
he dropped. That barn's
He's right there.
I want that bullet. It'll still be in.
Oh, that was awesome. Love you.
Now we might have a late supper.
That's okay. It'll be worth it.
Here comes Leron, the big hunter.
Look at his shoulder! I shattered it! Both of his shoulders!
You smoked him, Leron.
Look at that! Come look at his shoulders.
He broke both his shoulders.
It's hamburger. His shoulders are hamburger.
Oh my God!
Nice.
Awesome!
Kind of got some in the back. Kind of got
Almost started to get two dips in the back.
a heck of a shot on him.
Seriously, you did an awesome shot.
Well, it all started out from her giving me permission.
So we went to the expo and I surprised him with this hunt in February. So he's been waiting since February to get this bull.
Since then, I've been debating on what gun to use too.
You stalked him, what, all day today?
Yeah, this guy sounds meaner than hell. I'm sorry. He's the biggest, baddest, meanest sounding bull out here, and we could tell which one he was.
Every time he bugled, we could tell.
So that was awesome that we knew that. He was a stickler, didn't want to come in and show himself though. But we knew that all the other bulls would show up, that he'd move them on out, and that's what he did. He played Ring Around the Rosie on this little pond with a 405 or 15 class bull. Pushed him right out of there, right into my shooting lane. I decided this year to use the old Barnes triple shock. 200 grainer out of a 308 going 225, 25. Shattered both shoulders. Looked like hamburger.
And he's gorgeous.
I'd like to thank Royal Point Ranch.
Yeah,
This was awesome.
they were amazing, amazing.
Accommodating and
better.
everything.
Couldn't have asked for better, they were amazing.